Alright, here we are, back in the garage. Got the frame back up here, got the cab on the frame. Trying to get rocker panels and cab corners. I got it just laying in here right now. So the issue that I am having, well, obviously the bottom of these doors aren't the greatest. I bought brand new doors for it, and they were like, I don't know, I got them on Rock Auto, and they were economy doors, which they were $4 cheaper than the other ones, whatever they had. And oh, what's going on here? All right, my camera screwed up there for a second for some reason. I don't know. These doors are $4 cheaper than regular inventory or whatever you want to call it. And whenever, here, we'll look at this one. Whenever I would put the door on, I mean, this cab corner's not lined up perfectly right now, but whenever I would put the door on, I would have a gap. You run my fingers across there, and nothing was lining up. So if I got the rocker panel to line up with the door, I would have a gap here, like to where I could stick my fingers in there. So then we got the original doors off of this truck and put them on here, and everything seems to line up pretty decent. So I have to figure out something else, because these doors are rough. But I got a couple other trucks down in the yard, and I might just end up snagging doors off of one of them. So I'll have to, they need a little bit of work, the other doors. Well, like on this one, this bottom's all rotted. So I'll have to get patch panels for that and weld this whole guy in here and see if everything will line up. So I think I'll maybe go start ripping those doors off and see where we get. Good enough. I don't know, we're so blessed. Talk about later, over. Still smashing. Okay. 2 junk doors on. Good to go. Okay, here's the doors we just pulled off. This one isn't too bad. There's some garbage in there. I mean, this is, I'm gonna get these panels. Comes with this whole section. I'm gonna cut this off and weld a new one on. There's some rot there. But other than that, it's all pretty decent. So that'll all come apart whenever I get those panels. Now this is the second one. This is the right side, and somebody did a freaking hack job, a freaking Bondo job on this thing. And it is pretty rough. I don't even know what that is. And they welded this corner in here. That's rotted. So I get this, order this whole do-jiggy here, and then I'll also get the front skin that goes the whole way up to the body line there, and then should be all right. But I'm thinking this one, if you look down it, I mean, it's not perfect, but it's probably straight enough to get these rocker panels lined up, so then I can get those tacked in place and get those welded in. And I would use these doors since they're original doors, but they had the big style toe mirrors on it, and I'm not going to be putting those back on, so I didn't want to have to deal with the bullet holes in the side. Plus it's pretty rough. I mean, I could get the skins for these. Because this inner here should come with this whole deal here. And And this one's really not that bad. I mean, there, let me get my light. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's, I don't know. It's not near as bad as that other one, but the left side is the good one that I got out there. So, compare it. This one, yeah, I don't know about that. That's caved in up top and it's got Bondo. So maybe I will just rebuild that other one. I mean, the body line's good, and then you get to that and it's just, that would be too much time put into that to try and get it right. But these are original 85 doors off of this truck, so I'm sure that is probably factory Bondo, unless that's just really thick primer, but that is pretty thick. I don't know how this thing won't focus. Does this focus? Probably not, but you get the idea. It's pretty thick. So that's where we're at with that. So I will get those panels ordered, and this guy's dented out here. All better. Get those panels ordered and maybe mess around with that other rocker, try and get it tacked in place, and see you guys then.